Mamelodi Sundowns coach Manqoba Mngqithi has offered an encouraging update on the fitness of key players Thembinkosi Lorch, Sipho Mbule and Muthobi Mvala as the reigning South African champions gear up for their crucial CAF Champions League clash against Eswatini's Mbabane Swallows. Lorch, a fan favorite known for his explosive play, has been sidelined since the start of the season with an injury. However, he's now back in training and there's a growing buzz around his potential return. Manqoba Mngqithi said Lorch is very close to making the matchday squad. He featured in a friendly against Sekhukhune and has been impressive in training. Unfortunately, he had a minor hamstring issue today and had to pull out early, but his professionalism and commitment since his injury have been exceptional. The news that Lorch might soon be back in action has undoubtedly lifted spirits, but he's not the only one on the mend. Sipho Mbule, who struggled with fitness issues throughout pre-season, is also making a steady progress. Mngqithi also stated that Sipho has now started full training and it's really up to him at this point. If he keeps pushing, we might see him in the gym soon. With a packed fixture schedule looming, Sundowns' medical team has been working overtime to get the squad to peak condition. Fortunately, according to Mngqithi, the worst may be behind them, and said we are slowly getting to a point where we don't have too many injury concerns. A lot of the players who were out are now back in training, though they are not all at full intensity yet. Muthobi is a bit behind, Divine is still working his way back, and Kigen is getting closer to joining the group. Despite a few lingering knocks and niggles, the coach is optimistic about the team's current condition and said we're in a really good place as a squad right now. It's a long, tough season ahead, but I think we're ready for it. All eyes now turn to Saturday night when Sundowns will take on Mbabane Swallows in the first leg of their CAF Champions League second round preliminary tie at the Lucas Masterpiece Moripe Stadium. Kickoff is set for 8 o'clock, and with Lorch and Mbule nearing full fitness, there's plenty for Sundowns fans to be excited about. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.